Today I'm going to talk about array. So I'm going to talk about how it works, code implementation, and simple things that we should know about array. First of all, let's talk about key points of array. So when we talk about array key point, the most important thing is how we implement this into code. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Java language. So to use ArrayDeck into Java, we will use Java library called utility ArrayDeck. And one more important thing we need to know about ArrayDeck is it's faster than linked list for stack and core operations. And since this is array, even though this is array, we don't actually have a capacity limit. That means we can increase as much as we want in this array. And of course, since it is an array, we can store null elements through this queue. And first of all, let's talk about what's a deck. Deck is the interface. That means a type of concept what is array deck is supposed to be. So let's take some queue. If we take queue and we can add and remove from the both side of our queue, that means that's a array deck. So deck, we also call this double-ended deck, double-ended queue. So using this, what can we do actually? So of course, in this array deck, we can use LIFO and FIFO, which means last in FIFO and FIFO. In this array deck, we can use last in first out and first in last out method to this deck concept, which means we can add the element in last but take it out in first time, and use first element and take it out without using any complex method. So now let's talk about what are the instance we use this array deck for. To this, let's take real life practical scenarios. You may know browser. To go backward and forward, we will use this array deck method. Undo redo systems, task scheduling systems, to add task and remove task, and expression pressing. And next, let's talk about how we can implement this in a code. Here I have a simple Java class. First of all, I need to import Java utility. Now we will add our array queue using array deck, then figuring out our data type. This can be integer or string. So for this example, I am going to use string. Then a name for our deck. I will use deck and equal new array deck and semicolon. Oh God, semicolon. Then we can use add method to use this add our element into our deck, like add apple and something like mango, or maybe banana, cherry, banana, cherry. And there's another method we can use is add first. Using add first, we can add any element into our deck at the top of the list. That means whatever I put in here will be the top or head of this queue. I will use mango. Then of course since this is a deck, we can use add last. Sorry, add last. Using this, no matter what I put here, it will be stored in at the end of this queue. I will use orange. Then let's print this out. Scott and DeQue is plus deck, which means the name of our array. Then there's also something we can do is using remove from head. So we need to put it in a semicolon and plus sign and deck. Likewise, of course, deck dot remove first. Using this, we don't need a parameter or anything because no matter what is the head, it will remove the head. So in our case, it's mango. And likewise, we can use remove last. Remove last. Using this, likewise, we don't need to use any parameters for this too. Then system, let's print our new deck. Like this, and observe what will happen. As you can see, first we add 3 elements into this list of ours: apple, mango, cherry. But it was not, apple is not the first one. As I said, deck has an order, but in this case, it doesn't seem like it. Actually, it has order, but since we use at first mango, it have replaced head with apple to mango. Then push it back, and after that we used at last, which was orange, as you can see here. Then we removed head or mango. Let's do this and this, so it won't be complicated. Yeah, since we remove the head, which mean in our case mango, it show mango, but it doesn't show any other element that were stored in this array. And we removed last, which is orange, and our new deck will be without these 2 elements, which is apple, banana, and cherry. So this is simple implementation of how we can use this in code. So next, to summarize this, ArrayDeque is a resizable, efficient data structure that can be used both as a stack and a queue. It faster than listed linked list for the most stack and queue operations. So with that, we will end our video with this, and hopefully we will bring you some new data structure and algorithm videos. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again.